Hello students, welcome to Science Learning Gateway. Today we will start class 8, chapter number 1, Natural Resources Solution. In this video we will discuss the question answers and the exercise of this chapter, Natural Resources. This is a requested video. If you really like this video, please share with your friends and like this video. And those who are new to the channel, please subscribe my channel. For the explanation part of this chapter, natural resources, you can go to the playlist of class 8 and you can see and you can watch the video and you can understand the chapter. So let's start with the exercise. In the first question, four alternatives are given. Among the four alternatives, we have to choose the correct answer for that. The first question what we have, one of the following does not belong to the group. Four options are given in which three of the options belong to the same group but one of the option does not belong to the group. Let's see what is the correct answer. Water, as you all know, is a natural resource. Forest is also a natural resource. Petrol, it is not a natural resource. And soil, it is also a natural resources. So all the three options, water, forest and soil, these are renewable natural resources, but petrol is not a renewable natural resources. So petrol is the correct answer. It does not belong to the group of water, forest and soil. So our correct answer is petrol. Second question, government has banned hunting of wild animals. Why government has banned hunting of wild animals? Four options are given. In that, one of the option we have to choose among that. To maintain biodiversity. Second is to promote tourism, provide food to animals, and the fourth one is maintain soil fertility. The correct option for this is to maintain biodiversity, means in order to increase the plants and the animal, in order to increase the flora and fauna of our country, the government has banned wild animals. Flora means plants and fauna means animals. Okay, to maintain biodiversity, government has banned hunting of wild animals. Now the second main is fill in the blanks. Okay, we have to fill in the blanks questions with the suitable words. First question, what we have, resources that get replenished in nature are called renewable natural resources. Replenish means which we can get back again. So these are called renewable natural resources. Second one, what we have, petrol and kerosene are dash forms of natural resources. What form of natural resources? Non-renewable forms of natural resources. If they rise in water table, soil becomes, answer is saline. Okay, its salt content will increase and it will become saline. Soil provides and dash to terrestrial plants. What does soil provides to plants? Water and minerals. Okay, an example for non-renewable, an example for renewable resource is, what you can write? You can write solar energy also, you can write wind energy also. Any option of renewable resource you can write in this answer. You can write the fill in the blanks from here. All the answers are given over here. Choose the correct answer also and fill in the blanks also. Now we'll discuss the question answer part. The first question, what we have, what are natural resources? Answer is, natural resources are those resources that occur in nature. Natural, from the word natural, it is meant that it is present in the nature. So these resources are present in nature and are useful to us. Example, plants, solar energy, wind energy, water. Okay, these are the examples of natural resources. Next question we have, differentiate between renewable and non-renewable resources. In this we have to write the differences between renewable and non-renewable resources. For this we'll make two columns, two like tables will make, and one side will write renewable resource, natural resource, and another side will write non-renewable natural resource. First point, for renewable natural resource, what will write, these resources can be replenished in nature easily, means we can get it back. Okay, but for non-renewable, what will write, these resources cannot be replenished. Just opposite to that we'll write in that column. Next, what we have to write for renewable, these are continuously available for use and are inexhaustible, means we can use it every day, every time. Okay, but it will not be finished in the nature. But for non-renewable, what will write, they get depleted after some time, means after some time it will get depleted, it will finish, so they are exhaustible. Example for renewable natural resources, what you can write, solar energy, wind energy, and for non-renewable resources, what you can write, fossil fuels, coal, petroleum. Okay, so these are the differences between renewable and non-renewable. This is also a very important question from your exam point of view. Next question what we have, list the uses of water. We have to write the uses of water in this answer. So what are the answers for this one? The uses of water, our first use of water is very essential for the existence of life. Means we need water. Without water we cannot survive. Even the plants, animals, human beings, anyone cannot survive without water. So it is very essential for the existence of life. Second one, water is used for many human activities. We humans use the water for what purposes? For drinking, washing, agriculture and recreation, even for bathing. Those activities you can write in that at this point. Third point what we have, water is used for heat exchange process industries and fire extinguisher. In many industries also water is used, and also in the fire extinguishers also water is used. Fourth point is the largest use of water is in agriculture sector. You know, without water agriculture is not possible. The farmers use water to a large extent. In agriculture sector water is used to the largest extent for growing the crops. Water is used for producing electricity by hydroelectric power plants. In hydroelectric power plants, electricity is generated by the use of water. So, water is used for producing electricity in hydroelectric power plants. And one more point you can write, if it is a factor for many aspects of life such as environmental stability, biodiversity conservation, fuel security and even in healthcare. Means water has many very important role in environmental stability, to maintain the environment, to conserve the biodiversity, in fuel security and even in healthcare also water is very important. So at least 4 or 5 points you can learn from for this answer, or you can write the answer with your own. Importance of water everyone can write. Fourth question what we have, what is mining? What is the definition of mining? Mining is a process of extraction of minerals from the earth crust. Okay, mining is a process of extraction of minerals from the earth crust. We used to extract the minerals, means we used to get the mineral from the earth crust. This process is called mining. Next question what we have. Fourth question we have, fourth we have discussed. Fifth question what we have, what happens if too much of fossil fuels are used? In this question they are asking that if we will use the fossil fuel to a large extent, this means every time we'll use for a long time, then what will happen? Okay, the answer for this question is, fossil fuels are non-renewable resources. Okay, you all know that fossil fuels, they are non-renewable natural resources. They cannot be replenished in nature, means we cannot back it again. If it gets depleted. If too much of fossil fuels are used, then it will lead to energy crisis in near future. Okay, fossil fuels are non-renewable resources. They cannot be replenished in nature easily, and they will get depleted. If too much of fossil fuels will use, it will lead to energy crisis. Okay, it will lead to energy crisis in near future. Means if fossil fuels will not get, then what will happen? We cannot use the fossil fuels like coal and petroleum, and it will lead to energy crisis in the future. Our future generation will not get those things. So it is very important that we should conserve the fossil fuel. We should not use it in a very large amount. So this is the answer for that question. Question number 6, the last question what we have. A student argues that a nation will be rich if its forests are conserved. Justify, means one student is there. He is saying that if we will conserve the forest, our nation will be rich. So how we can prove that answer? The answer for this question is, forest is very important for us as well as for our nation. Means forest is equally important for us also and for our country or the nation also. They are indicators of natural wealth of a nation. Means they indicate the natural wealth. Means they add wealth to our nation or to our country. We can justify this answer by the following points. First point, in this answer you have to write basically the importance of forest. What is the importance of forest in our day-to-day life? Forests provide many products like resins, gums, lac, fibers, wax, honey, medicine, timber, wood. These things we used to get from the forest. Next point, forests provide raw material for various industries. Even for industries also, forests give us various raw materials like textile, paper, furniture, etc. Okay. Next point what we have, forests provide timber, which is an important material in constructing buildings and furniture. Means from the forest we are getting the wood from the trees, which are used for constructing the buildings, furnitures, even the schools, hospitals, many things. Okay. Forests have aesthetic value and provide opportunity in tourism. Even the tourists also, they used to visit the forest, okay, and from that our country is getting a large amount of money. So our country is getting rich by the forest. So we should conserve the forest, we should not waste it. And the last question from this chapter is match the following. Okay, in this we'll discuss the match the column. First match the following is high carbon content. In this we have to write in which coal the percentage of carbon is more. So we all know that in anthracite coal the percentage of carbon is very much high. So the answer is anthracite. Renewable resource, the answer is wind. Low sulfur content. Okay, low sulfur content is present in where? Natural gas. And the formation of soil is known as weathering of rocks. So these are the answers of match the following. I hope you all have understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me and comment in the and you can write your doubt in the comment section so that I can help you out. Okay. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. And if it is helpful for you, share this with your friends also.